When you run an advertisement on your Beehiiv newsletter, you're going to have two components. This logo up here at the top, which will appear by default in the header of your email and your web version of the newsletter, and then the advertisement itself, wherever you've placed it. I've got mine right here in the body of my newsletter. However, I learned you can change the placement of that logo if you don't want it up there. So I'm going to go to this post that I've got scheduled for tomorrow. I'm going to edit the post, and I've got a slot right about here where I'm going to do /ads. That's how you bring up the menu for advertisements. It will pop up the ads available, and this one right here I've got scheduled for the 18th, which is tomorrow. Now by default, right up here is going to be that little logo image. And if I open up the preview window, you can see it's right there, right above my header image. And maybe I don't want it there. So what you do to change it is you come to the advertisement and click Settings, Insert Manually Placed Logo. Now it's going to appear in our actual newsletter. Sometimes it takes just a moment for it to appear in the newsletter so that we can edit it further. We can change the sponsor text. So by default, it's going to say in partnership with. I'm going to say sponsored by, just for kicks and giggles tomorrow. We can also change the image width. So if I want it to be real small for some reason, that doesn't make sense, but you can change the image width, whether it's aligned left, right, or center. I'm going to leave it in the center, and then importantly, we can just drag this down wherever we want it. So I'm going to put it underneath the image instead of above it. And if we toggle this preview window, sometimes it takes a minute to catch up, but you can see it refresh there on its own. Now we've got the logo text for our advertisement here on the bottom of my header image. I've got more videos just like this showing you little tricks and things that I've learned throughout the 2 years of using Beehiiv, which I love, by the way. And if you want to get started with them, check out my link below. It'll get you a sweet discount. I stand behind them and have really loved using them for the past 2 years. Go check them out. I think it's worth it. You'll be satisfied if you're like me with the free tier for quite a while as well. But when you're ready to upgrade some of the advanced features, like this advertisement, that's a premium feature, they've got a really, really good deal. Check this video out next. I hope you have a great one, and goodbye.